So which one's better? The $15 one or the $90 one? To be honest, it's personal preference at this point. They're both pretty good. They both give off great foam. Most of the time, your foam's gonna depend on your pressure washer. But at the end of the day, you know, when you're starting out, $15 foam cannon, perfect for you. And later on, once you've been detailing for a good while now, the rest that you buy is pretty much toys. So this is my toy right here. You know, it's 90 bucks, but I love it. The adjustments are more accurate too. Quality difference, there is a difference. It's not the kind of difference that's gonna matter. I'm gonna show you the difference between the two on this Tesla. I wanna make sure I get all the foam inside the cracks. That way the interior gets all nice and wet. A lot of you detailers do exteriors first and then interiors. I personally start with the interior, especially if it's a shampoo. Because, you know, if you do the exterior, you go do shampoo on the inside, you're kicking all that shit out, blowing it out, gets on the car, on the panels, and then once you're done, you know, the first thing the customer sees when he walks out is the exterior of your car. So that's just, again, there is no right or wrong way. It's personal preference. It is a lot of foam. It is thick. This is more than enough for starting out detailing. And for most detailers, really. This foam cannon is actually great. So there is a difference. This one's applies more uniform, more even. I can adjust the thickness too on this one. But again, you don't want to have too thick anyways, because when it's too thick, it don't stick on the paint and just slides off. But on the 3D, you can tone it down, the foam thickness too, just so you guys know. That way it does stick on the panel a lot better. I just did maximum just to show you guys that it can foam up really good if you wanted to. So at the end of the day, cheap one is very good. It does say 3D, but I don't think 3D makes these. I actually found the exact same one on Temu for 15 bucks. Same exact model and design. I think they just rebranded. MJGC does the same, to be honest. I do use both of the cannons because, like I said, I just make everything easier on me. This one is the Decon soap mixture, and this is the pH neutral mixture with O&R added to prevent water spots. So this is my contact wash, and this is pre-wash. And it's easier, just pop one off, pop this one in,